2007 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: moonroof, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, HomeLink garage door opener, four-wheel ABS, floor mats, cruise control, FWD, child-proof rear door locks, rear window defroster. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.